Hi everyone, this is Carol and I'm coming to you on Tuesday, and we are featuring a new color for something new in the deep V short sleeve top. And this top has been the blockbuster top in the Southeast region. It is one of the best selling tops. It comes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 colors. 7 colors. We have had in the splash, we've had it in the flamingo, the hot pink, we've had it in sand, we've had it in a number of different colors, but we just received this top in lapis and it is just gorgeous. It would be beautiful with a white pair of pants. I have it on with the navy new wrapped pant, which is that narrower wrapped pant with the pockets. And I am in a size 10 in both of these. This top is really a generous top, and I think that's why it's just been so popular. It's so easy. It's very similar to the dress that I featured last week in navy with the deep V with the cap sleeve, except it's a top and it's short. It's got a tad bit of a high-low. It's just a little shorter in the front. You could tell in the back it's just a little bit longer, not much. It is fantastic on petites, but I'm 5'10" and this works on me too. So it's a great versatile top for work or play when it is hot weather. So this is our beautiful new arrival in lapis, which I just loved. I paired it with some sale jewelry. The necklace is $17. I love how it kind of ties in with the navy and the shoes that I have in a neutral, and Sandra's pinning down, and the earrings that I think are $7 or $9. So very inexpensive. Earrings also, because they're on sale, these are $9. So I'll link those in, but I want to actually show you all the different colors. So this is the lapis color, which you can see linked in. This is the splash. And this V, you guys, is not low. It looks like it on this mannequin, but it is not low. It hits me right here. It is not, but it's called the deep V just because it's a narrow V neck and it's so flattering on everyone. It's not the wide, wider cut. This one I have paired with a really pretty silk scarf. Love this with the idea of the sand wrapped pant. I love that together. And all of this we can get for you if we don't have your size. I checked, we can order all of these colors for you. I'm gonna go to my list. They have it in black, which you can see linked over there. In flamingo, which we've had in store before. So you'll see the flamingo, the hot pink, that's so pretty. That did very well. Lapis splash, the melange silver, which is that really light gray color with the kind of speckling or flecking in it. It also comes in navy and it comes in white. So you can see those linked in over on your left. So just wanted to feature a really fun top. Gift cards are available for those that want to buy Sympli for Mother's Day. I know so many of our customers would love Sympli in their box for Mother's Day. If we don't have your size, we can order it, and or you can do a gift card. So get a hold of us to order your deep V top. These are so fun, so comfortable, and just so easy. See y'all soon.